and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Miss Jamaica World, top model and beach beauty fast track events heightening the momentum for this weekend's grand coronation. The two fast track events held over the weekend at the Sandals Resorts International in Ocho Rios saw the 16 contestants sashaying and strutting in an effort to secure one of the three remaining fast track spots in the MJW competition. The Sandals Beach Beauty Fast Track competition featured the ladies in swimwear from Mushroom Designs. Miss Interlink Communication Rochelle McKinley copped the Beach Beauty title, with Miss Ligani Plaza April Marshall and Miss Covergirl Tony and Singh coming in second and third respectively.
I'm very grateful because I honestly did not know that I would win this part of the competition, but it's all a part of a motivational system for me now to prepare even harder and just expect the best.
Up next was the Maxi Department Store Top Model Fast Track event, showcasing pieces. The statuesque Eureka Brown, representing Miss Design Diva, won the title, whilst Rochelle McKinney and Tony and Singh placed second and third respectively.
Thank you very much. It feels great.
Contestants who have also secured a place in the top 10 of the Miss Jamaica World competition are Miss Autocraze Thalia Malcolm, who won the Fast Track Fitness competition, and Miss Covergirl Tony and Singh, who outsang her competition to win the Fast Track Talent competition. With the anticipation building for the climax of the Miss Jamaica World competition, National Director Weston Horton outlined what's next.
Beauty with a Purpose, where they submit their videos and we look through and the judges select, because that's very important for Miss World. It's the mantra of Miss World, Beauty with a Purpose, their project that they work on, community project, whatever. So that is very important. So we're looking forward to seeing that. That one will happen this week. With the fast track winners that we've had so far, we have to see who else we're going to add to make it the top 10, because we're really going to have a fantastic top 10 and eventually have a really fantastic top 5. And, of course, the big one, Miss Jamaica World 2019.
The Miss Jamaica World 2019 Grand Coronation is scheduled for this Saturday, September 21, at the Jamaica Pegasus Ballroom in New Kingston, with live coverage on RETV. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.